Okay, dear students, let me continue second class in the chapter Physiographic Divisions of India or Physical Features of India. On the basis of physiography, India can be classified into four divisions. They are the first point, the northern mountain, second one, the northern Great Plain, third one, the peninsular plateau, fourth one, the coastal plains and islands. Yes, now in this class, I will explain about the northern mountains. Student, you should know information about the first physical division of India. Which is the first physical division of India? Northern mountain. The northern mountain. The northern mountain is the first physical division of India. Dear student, you should know that this northern mountains, yes. So which is the first physical division of India? The northern mountain is the first physical division of India. This northern mountain comprising the Himalayas. It consists of Himalayas, which a group of young-fold mountains, which consist of a group of young-fold mountains. Young-fold mountains. So these are Himalayas. Yes, students should know that the northern mountain, which comprising the Himalayas, which are a group of fold mountains. These are called a group of fold mountains, a group of young fold mountains. So these are that. So these are the highest ranges of the world. Which are Himalayas are the highest ranges of the world. Which are the highest ranges in the world? Himalayas are the highest ranges in the world. So these consist of northern mountain, extends from, you should know the students, what is the extension of northern mountain? The extension of northern mountain is extended from Indus Gorge. Yes. Extend from Indus Gorge in the west to Brahmaputra Gorge in the east. So what is the extension of northern mountain? Northern mountains are Himalayas. Himalayas consist of group of young-fold mountains, which are located a chain of fold mountains in the north. These are located as a group of chain mountains in the north. Is concluded. It's included. It's like a chain of fold mountains in the north. So this northern mountain extend from, what is the extension of northern mountain? Northern mountain extend from Indus Gorge in the west to Brahmaputra Gorge in the east. It is the west and the east. Indus Gorge in the west to Brahmaputra Gorge in the east. So this is nearly 2,400 kilometer length. What is the length of northern mountain? The length of northern mountain 2,400 kilometers. From where? From Indus Gorge in the west to Brahmaputra Gorge in the east. The length of northern mountain 2,400 kilometers. Then what is the total area of northern mountain? The total area of northern mountain 5 lakh kilometer square. This is the area length of that northern mountain. What is the length of northern mountain? The total area. It means northern mountains covered 5 lakh kilometer square or 5 lakh square kilometers. So northern mountains covered 5 lakhs kilometer squares. It is extended from Indus Gorge in the west to Brahmaputra Gorge in the east, that is 2400 kilometer. Okay, now Pamir Knot in the west, remember that's what we can say, that's it. Pamir Knot in the west to Namche Barwa in the east, that is the extension of northern mountain. Pamir Knot in the west, Namche Barwa in the east, that is, and also we can say Indus Gorge in the west to Brahmaputra Gorge in the east is the extension of northern mountain. So which are the highest ranges in the world? Himalayas are the highest ranges in the world which are located in northern part of India. Remember students, this is one. And also you should know that one more point, this is width varies, the northern mountains width varies from here 300 and, sorry students, so width varies from 240 to 320 kilometers. Width varies from place to place. Width of the northern mountain, width of the northern mountains varies from minimum 240 kilometers width and maximum 320 kilometers is the width, it is the length. Yes, length of the northern mountain, width of the northern mountain. What is the width of northern mountain? Width varies from, starts from 240 kilometers to 320 kilometers. So this is information. Next, and also remember student, you should know these northern mountains, they consist of highest peaks. Yes, northern mountain consists of peaks, valleys. Yes, it consists of glaciers. Next, it consists of passes. Yes, northern mountains consist of highest peaks in the world. That is Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the world. Second one, K2, highest peak, highest mountain peak in India. Next, Kanchenjunga, second highest peak in the world, and third highest peak in the world, Kanchenjunga, Makalu, Dhaulagiri, Annapur, like that. Number of mountain peaks are located in these northern mountains. Northern mountains consist of highest mountain peaks, valleys, glaciers, passes, and also fifth one is gorges. Yes. So these are, because already you know that northern mountain extends from Indus Gorge in the west to Brahmaputra Gorge east. Yes, it consists of gorges. It consists of peaks. It consists of valleys. Kandra Valley, Kulu Valley, Kashmir Valley. These are there. Glaciers, Gangotri glaciers. So many glaciers are there, and the passes. That is Khyber Pass, Bolan Pass, Sikila, Jalapla, these are the mountain passes are there. That's what northern mountains consist of highest peaks, valleys, glaciers, passes, and gorges. So this is information about northern mountains. Dear students, very easy to remember. The few points you can keep in your mind. One is northern mountain, the area of northern mountain, 5 lakh kilometer squares. Northern mountains extends from Indus Gorge in the west to Brahmaputra Gorge in the east. That is Pamir Knot in the west to Namche Barwa in the east is the extension of northern mountain. Northern mountains comprising Himalayas, which a group of Young-fold mountains. So these are that Young-fold mountains. And also that, remember students, so northern mountains width varies from 240 kilometer to 320 kilometer. It is that highest mountain range in the world. It's Himalayan ranges. Himalayas are called as highest mountain ranges in the world. So these are the highest mountain ranges. So these Himalaya northern mountains, it consists of these. And also come to that This northern mountains has wider, broader in the west to narrow in the east. So this side broader, western side. Northern mountains has broader in the west to narrow in the eastern side. And also it has steep slope towards south. Very steep slope. Northern mountains has steep slope in the south and gentle slope towards north. Steep slope in the south to gentle slope towards north. Steep slope in south, gentle slope in north. Okay, western side wider, it means broader. Northern mountains has wider in the north, western side. It has wider, broad in the north, and the eastern side narrow. So this is complete information about the northern mountains. Remember one more point, students. Northern mountains consist of three parallel ranges, which are the three parallel ranges of Himalayas. So important, I hope, students. So you have understood this complete information. Understand now? Understood or not? Yes, I hope you understood all this information. And also the northern mountains consist of three parallel ranges. This is included these all the informations, and also northern mountains consist of three parallel ranges, which are the three parallel ranges of Himalayas. So important parallel ranges of Himalayas. The next question: which are the parallel ranges of Himalayas? And write a short note on northern mountain. Yes, three parallel ranges of Himalayas. The first point is the Greater Himalaya. The Greater Himalaya. Okay. Second one, the Lesser Himalaya. Greater Himalaya, Lesser Himalaya, and third one, Shivalik. Shivalik. So they are also called as a Greater Himalayas, also called as a Himadri. Greater Himalaya also called as a Himadri. Lesser Himalaya called as a Himachal. Himachal. So Shivalik is called as a foothills of the Himalayas. Foothills. Remember. Greater Himalayas are Himadri, Lesser Himalaya are Himachal, Shivalik are foothills. These are the three parallel ranges of northern mountains. Which are the three parallel ranges of northern mountains? So these are three parallel ranges of northern mountains. One is Greater Himalaya or Himadri, Lesser Himalaya or Himachal, Shivalik or foothills. And you can call again. It is called as a Outer Himalaya. Okay, Himadri, Greater Himalaya. So Himadri, Lesser Himalaya is called as Central Himalaya. Himachal or Central Himalaya, Middle Himalaya, and it is that foothills of Himalayas. So, okay, and foothills of Himalayas are Shivalik ranges. These are the three parallel ranges of Himalayas. Remaining information about Greater Himalayas or Himadri. Himadri consists of glaciers. It consists of glaciers. It receives heavy rainfall. It consists of highest peaks. Himadri consists of highest peaks. So Greater Himalaya, Himadri. Why it's called Himadri? Because always snow falling in this region. That's what's called as Himadri. Throughout the year, always or throughout the year, snow falls in this region, and hence it is called as a Himadri. And this Greater Himalaya consists of peaks, that is Mount Everest, highest mountain peak in the world. Which is the highest mountain peak in the world? The highest mountain peak in the world, Mount Everest. Second one, the highest peak in India. First highest peak in India. The second highest peak in the world, that is K2, Karakoram range. Second are Mounts Godwin and Austin. The next one is the second highest peak in the world, third highest peak in the world, and second highest peak in India, that is Kanchenjunga. That is, the Great Himalaya consists of mountain peaks. So these informations I will explain in next period. Okay now students, understood now? Thank you.